Hey guys, today is day 5 of the 30-day video challenge, and it is to describe what you did today. If you follow me on Google+, you know this isn't going to be pretty. If that bothers you, stop watching now. If you don't want to hear what I did today, because I guarantee you, if you're a fucking idiot and a douchebag, you're not going to like it, stop watching now because I'm not going to listen to your bitching, okay? And if you try to comment some douchebag comment, I will block you. I'm not really scared to do that. So here's what I did today. I woke up, I took my dogs out, I made 2 waffles on the broiler, buttered them up, took them with me on my ride to work, went to work, got ignored by the love of my life, tried to figure out why by talking to a couple of other friends on Google+, because I don't actually have friends in real life. Found out that my ex is still going to all the karaoke shows that I went to, so I called him on my way home for lunch after going to lunch for 40 minutes late. We got into a fight so bad that I had to hang up on him because I was crying so much that I couldn't breathe and I couldn't drive correctly and I had to pull over. Finally got home, called him, fussed for another 40 minutes and cried a little bit more. Went back to work, went about my day talking to my Google+ friends, then had to call my ex back, fight with him some more, cry some more when I should have been doing work, or should have been happy, or whatever the fuck I should have been doing. And here I am now, after meeting him at a gas station after work, getting my key, giving him his key back. Here I am now, fucking doing nothing. What am I gonna do the rest of my day? Probably cry in a corner. Peace.